How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about a losing trade that I had on SPY today and how I mishandled that trade. And I want to talk about a current swing trade I'm in and how I'm handling that trade. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Okay, let's get right into this. So the trade I took, it was on SPY options, but I took it based off of SPX level. So I was watching this 4,500 for a bounce, right? For calls. So we pulled down. I seen a little confirmation. One thing I didn't like was the increase in selling volume I seen on SPY, but the 4,500 was a huge level, and I wanted to catch that bounce. I didn't want to miss out. Honestly, my mental state's a little off. I got a lot of projects going on, a little bit too much going on. Hopefully get them wrapped up this week so I can focus more on trading. For those that was trading with me last week, I had an insane week. But let's talk how I missed out on this trade. First off, I didn't really have the amount of confirmation I usually do when I get into a trade, but I did go lighter. So now let's switch over to the SPY chart so we can get a little closer look at the actual chart I was watching. So I set my stop loss below this 449, trying to allow for the proper risk management. One thing I did wrong as well was watch the 0DTE premiums I was trading. They fluctuate like crazy. That tends to mess me up personally. That's just one of my personal rules. I like to watch just the chart, watch the price action. If it fails a level, get out. One thing I wish I had waited on a 5 minute to open below my stop loss today, because it wicked down, stopped me out by 10 cents, right? Come back up and absolutely printed. I mean, the contract moved really nice. Had like a 0.70, 0.72 fill on the 450 calls, and they're up really nice right now. Just a couple things I'm going to document when I log my trades today. Probably shouldn't have been day trading at all today, honestly. Got a lot of stuff to take care of later, a few things going on. Just something to help you all out. Don't feel like you have to trade every day, okay? Now let's talk about the swing trade I'm in. I entered this at close yesterday. I got in SPY puts, right? You're probably looking here, you're like, okay, we're up a lot, I'm sorry, let me add in my studies here. So we entered around 449.4 area, 449.2 area, somewhere in there where we entered puts at inside Team Bull for a swing. You're probably looking now, you're like, okay, we're up above this level, right? We're up above that 4,500 level on SPX, that key resistance. You're probably thinking, like, where are you going to stop at? Why are you still holding this trade? What I like to do, I like to see a close on the daily time frame, right, to confirm I need to stop out. Because a lot of times, we look at too small a time frame when we're swing trading, longer term trades, right? And we stop out. Then at the end of the day, it'll come right back down into our zone that we're okay holding, right? So I'm going to give it the benefit of the doubt. If we close below that 4,500 on SPX, the trade's still good, right? The swing trade's still good. I'm trading further out expiration. Still confident in this trade, but I'll follow my plan regardless. And that's what's really important. That's where a lot of people fail, right? They don't follow their plan. So they just hold on for hope. If we close above that 4,500, I'll simply get out of the trade. If we close below it, I'm going to stay in the trade and see where we're at tomorrow. And that's all I have for this video. I hope these small tips and the way I handle my trades help you all out. If so, if you haven't already, be sure to click that thumbs up button. It really helped me out. And for those that are still around, if you're interested in joining the next Team Bull Mastermind, right? I'm going to leave a link in the description for a form to fill out to get on the waiting list. It takes like 5 seconds to fill out. So check that out. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.